Sunita Mishra. So as you know that we are studying the chapter chemical reactions and equation, and in that what we have to learn today? We have to learn today the displacement reactions. Now what are the displacement reactions? So those reactions in which one element takes the place of another element in a compound are known as the displacement reaction. That means one element displaces the other one and takes its position. So why this happens? Because in this reaction a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element from its compound. Now this will be going to be more clear from some examples. So first I am going to give you the reaction between the zinc and copper sulphate. Now what happens that when a strip of zinc metal is placed in copper sulphate solution, then zinc sulphate solution and copper are obtained. Now you see here the blue solution of the copper sulphate that changes to the colorless solution of zinc sulphate. So why this reaction takes place? Because zinc is more reactive than the copper. Then I will give you one more example. Like suppose a reaction between the iron and copper sulphate. Now here also again the copper sulphate is of what color? It is of the blue color. So when a piece of iron that is dipped in a copper sulphate solution, then what happens? The iron displaces the copper from the copper sulphate solution, and that's why the blue solution of the copper sulphate that is going to be changed into the greenish solution of the iron sulphate, and on the surface of the iron metal the brown coating of the copper is deposited. Okay, now this type of reaction not only occurs in metal, it also occurs in non-metal also. So I will give you one example between a reaction of a chlorine and potassium iodide. So what will happen that when chlorine is added to the potassium iodide solution, then what will happen? The chlorine displaces the iodine from its solution, and what will form? It will form potassium chloride and iodine. So in this displacement reaction, chlorine displaces the iodine. So that's why it displaces? Because chlorine is more reactive than the iodine. So we will see that the displacement reaction is a reaction in which one metal or a non-metal displaces the other metal or non-metal. Now all the above examples are actually the single displacement reaction. Why? Because only one element displaces another element from its compound. So this will be up to this. The next topic or the next reaction I will teach you in the next class.